Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about how to write the reaction paper. We're going to do something different with this paper this semester, and I want to show you how we're going to connect reaction with the topic for the reaction paper being cancel culture. Before I get into that, though, I want to show you a few things about this handout, especially as it concerns your quiz. You are going to be quizzed on this handout. The one thing that I want to focus on is I have highlighted all of the questions on the quiz for you. In the highlight, you will notice that I have underlined reaction paper in this sentence. I am going to give you this entire sentence. I am going to leave out the words reaction paper. You will be responsible for memorizing all of the highlighted material, looking at what I have underlined, and recording that information for your quiz. Keeping that in mind, I want to go over this. Starting the paper. A reaction paper focuses on the perception of writers as they closely examine their response to what they see with their own eyes or read using their critical thinking skills. For this paper, we're going to use the overall topic of cancel culture. You're going to respond to some videos that I have posted in this section later on. One of the videos that you're going to see has to do with the incident involving Diddy and Cassie Ventura. So the basis for this is your reaction. After watching the video and getting your reaction, do you feel like Puff Daddy, Diddy, whatever you call him, should be canceled? And we're going to keep that in the forefront of our mind as we watch all the videos for reaction, getting your reaction to see if the person in the video is going to be canceled. Should you cancel the person? Should you not cancel the person? Look at this. Part of doing the topic on cancel culture is identifying the subject. I'm going to give you three subjects. We're going to talk about the usual suspects: Diddy, R. Kelly, and Andrew Tate. There are thousands, hundreds of other people that you could also choose to cancel, and you would get to choose the subject that you want to cancel for the paper after reacting to what it is they are actually accused of, what controversial thing they did to put themselves in a situation where they should be canceled. You can choose any subject that you prefer, whether it is a political figure, whether it is an athlete, whether it is an entertainer. You will choose the subject that you want to cancel after reacting to those things that the person did, which makes them the subject for cancellation. And I'm going to go through this in another video also. So you are going to give me, not in the first part of the paper, I'll explain this later. You're going to give me your personal reaction to the person, right? Remember, this is your paper. These are going to be your arguments. These are going to be your reasons that you choose to cancel or not cancel the subject that you're going to write about. And like I said, I'm going to talk about this in another video. So how is the work related to problems in our present day world? Well, as many of you know, cancel culture can be a divisive topic. So, for example, let's talk about R. Kelly. R. Kelly is accused of abusing underage girls. That is one side of the issue. The other side of the issue is whether or not we want to stop listening to R. Kelly's music. Do we cancel the man? Do we cancel the music? Do we cancel both, right? Do we keep the music and cancel the man, right? And then what are the real world implications of that, right? So we want to be careful that we write a very nuanced paper when we do the cancel culture paper. Your emotions, right? When you see the video of Diddy, right? What emotions are they provoking? When you hear Andrew Tate, What emotions do they provoke in you? And you want to latch on to that because those are going to be your reactions. So take a look at this handout. I'm not going to read the handout to you. The handout is here for you. Study the handout, read the handout, take the quiz on the handout, and I will see you in the next video. As always, if you have any questions, please email me directly at philip.blackman.aamu@aamu.edu. I will be happy to answer your questions. I will see you in the next video.